Social media has so many of us in a chokehold. Legit, 99% of us are addicted to social media. We have to be on our phones. We can't eat without our phones. Can't go to the restroom without our phones. Can't shower without our phones. Have to FaceTime a friend while we're eating. Like, whatever it is, we just have to have our phones and be on social media. And imagine if you put that addictive energy that you have with social media into something that actually matters and something that you'll actually benefit from, like working out. Imagine where you'll be in the next 6 months. So many people have to continue to start their fitness journey over and over and over again because they're relying solely on social media instead of figuring out how they can just become addicted to the gym. All the gym bros that you see that cannot skip a day from the gym, yes, some of them are just ultra disciplined and that's just their nature, but a lot of them have just found ways to make it addicting. It sounds impossible, but I'm gonna show you how to make working out just as addictive as social media is. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how you can hack your brain and tips and tricks on how to get your body to crave the gym and to crave working out to where you physically cannot miss a day. And that's the energy that we need for 2025. We need to set the tone to where our habits and our addictions are to things that actually benefit us. One thing that I have learned and I have been listening to and doing a little bit of research on is why things are so addicting and why we enjoy certain things. And one thing that I have learned is the reason why we're on social media so much and we always have to open the app is not because the content is just so good and the memes are just so funny and we're just so nosy, we want to see what everybody else is doing. It's literally the dopamine effect. Social media gives us dopamine, but it's to the point where a lot of us, it's just too much. It's way too much. And dopamine is that feel-good chemical in your body that you can also get from working out, believe it or not. When I finish a good gym session, I feel so damn good. Like, I feel good when I finish working out. It literally sets the tone for the day. I'm motivated. I feel happier. It just is such a good feeling that it gives you. Now, during the workout, maybe not. But after, you do get that dopamine effect. The same way that you get excited when you see something or you get excited when you get on your phone, you can actually trigger your brain to do the same thing from working out. The problem is most people just don't know how to do it. But I'm going to show you how to have that same response and how to have your brain getting excited from working out. One of the biggest mistakes that people make, and we're such like in an era of discipline. Yes, you need discipline. Yes, you do have to discipline yourself because essentially if you have to discipline yourself to do something, that means that you don't want to do it. But if you make it to where you do want to do something because you enjoy it, you don't have to solely rely on just being disciplined. Like, the discipline bros are driving me crazy, and I love being disciplined and I love getting on here and talking about discipline, but it's like, that's not the only way. And everything doesn't have to feel bad and feel super hard for you to do it. And in the beginning, it is very helpful if working out feels good because you're able to go, which is why a lot of people tell you to join a fitness class or go with a friend, because it feels better and you're more likely to stay consistent if something feels good, and you'll start to crave doing that more often. Social media does not rely on discipline. You're not disciplining yourself to get on social media. You're not addicted to social media because you're disciplined. Social media relies on rewards, and that's exactly what you're going to use to get yourself addicted to the gym and working out, the same way that you're addicted to social media. So there's 3 really powerful ways to hack your brain and get yourself addicted to working out the same way that you're addicted to the gym. The first one is micro rewards, little, just small rewards that you can give yourself. So let's say that you're in the gym and you set a goal to run for 5 minutes. Give yourself something small to look forward to at the end of that 5 minutes. For me, of course, it's my phone. Like, I will try to put my phone down for majority of my workout, and once I finish one of my goals, then I can get on my phone, I can text, I can check emails, I can go on Pinterest, I can just chill for like a minute. That's my little reward. Your reward could be listening to a specific song or having a drink of your energy drink. Whatever you want your small reward to be, choose your reward, and when you finish whatever it is that you're doing when you're working out, that can be your reward. I used to reward myself with food, which is kind of like backwards. I don't do that anymore. I don't use food like as something to reward myself with during the gym, but it'll be like a new set to work out in, or buy something small that I've been wanting to order on Amazon. That will be my reward. That's what keeps me addicted. So give yourself, you can also do something that you can buy towards the end of every month, and how consistent that you are in the gym. That one really helps. For the girls who are addicted to shopping, also give yourself something to buy at the end of every kind of goal that you complete when you're working out. Do not wait for really big milestones to reward yourself. That just, don't do that. Now, if you have a goal to lose 50 pounds, don't wait until you lose the 50 pounds to celebrate. Celebrate all the little small wins in between to keep that momentum going and to keep you in the gym and consistent with whatever you're doing. If it's one thing that I learned from last year, is that you need to celebrate your small wins. They do matter. Like, you don't have to just have this big goal, and just because you're not there yet, you're gonna hold off on celebrating yourself until you actually get there. You can celebrate all the little small milestones in between. The second hack that you're gonna use to make yourself addicted to working out, the same way that you're addicted to social media, is what a lot of video games do, which is they glamify their video games. They make it all nice, they make it all cutesy and all fun for you to go buy and for you to go play and get addicted to. So you're gonna glamify your workout journey, whatever it is. For me, this is on my calendar. I'll do like a little, whatever it is, whatever I'm feeling creative of. When I finish my workout, I come home and that's what I put on my calendar. It could be a star, a heart, a butterfly, a check mark, whatever it is, that's what you'll put on there. Another thing that I do is my fitness app. I'm just obsessed with how it looks in a month. So like for the month of January, I want all of these circles to be complete. So that's another way just to glamify it. It's just, you want to fill this up and have all your rings be closed, or just see that you got some type of movement in for the month. You can also do a fitness challenge with one of your friends or family members. I know on here you can do like a step challenge and invite people to do it. I've invited the closest people to me and they have all turned me down. But if you have people around you, it is the beginning of the month and the beginning of a fresh new year, so a lot of people are trying to really get active. Definitely do a challenge and like just make it fun. Whatever you can do to make your workout journey as fun as possible. Also, MyFitnessPal also tracks your workouts and your eating. The eating part is honestly one of the hardest parts. So if you struggle with that and you want to track your food, to me tracking is fun. To a lot of people it can get really messy and really just like negative and create a negative relationship between you and food. But I love tracking my food, and I love seeing that I was like hitting my exact goal every single day. It made it so much fun. I didn't even want to, like, if I couldn't track it, I didn't want it. If I could not put it into MyFitnessPal, I did not want it. It literally became like a game to me. The next thing that you can use to make your fitness journey and your workout journey as addicting as social media is using social accountability. TikTok, Instagram, obviously YouTube are my top 3. I post me a cute little story every time I'm done with the gym, and they be like, that girl, she stay in the gym, she's so addicted. Like, there was an era where I was in the gym every single day. You could click on my story and see my gym selfie every time. It never failed. And it's so funny when people notice that, because it just shows how you're holding yourself accountable and how people pay attention and people will hold you accountable. Like, oh, you didn't go to the gym? I remember one time I didn't post for like a week and my friend called me like, hey, like, what have you been doing? You haven't posted anything. Like, have you still been in the gym? Girl, I've been in the gym, I just ain't post. Definitely utilizing social media. I know in the beginning it's a little bit embarrassing and not fun because you aren't at your goals, so you feel like you don't want to post. But a lot of the times you don't even realize that you're inspiring other people and you're holding other people accountable and helping them be consistent, just because they're able to log on and see that you're in the gym every day. Not that you have anything to prove, but it's proving something to yourself. And when you have like a little streak going on that people are locked in with and like tuned in with, you kind of don't want to fall off, because then they'll know. Sad truth. If you are not comfortable with posting on social media, get you a friend that you can text after you finish each workout. Somebody who's going to hit you up at 6 p.m. and be like, hey, did you work out today? I didn't get a text. Get an accountability partner. That's one of my goals for this year. Like, I just want to get somebody that can hold me accountable. Somebody I can check in with at least every week to see, like, are we still being consistent with the goals that we set in January? Because once summer comes, it gets a little rocky. Like, I get to get in real lenient. I give myself a lot of leeway. I'm trying to have fun and relax, and I'm trying to stay locked in all 2025, not just the first couple of months. And I have a habit of doing that. So I'm really trying to find somebody that can hold me accountable and just take it as seriously as I'm taking it. Get you an accountability friend, an accountability partner, if it's your mom, whoever it is, but just somebody that can check in on you and make sure that if you say you're going to do 4 workouts this week, they're checking in to see if you did your 4 workouts this week. So on the journey to making your workout journey and your fitness journey as addicting as social media, you should be setting little small micro goals while you're in the gym. You should also be glamifying your routine, making it cutesy, making it fun. And then also making it social. Make it something to where you can involve other people, or you can just post it on social media. You literally have the blueprint on how you're going to get your body and your brain to be addicted to working out and to be able to be at a point where you're checking in on yourself. You can't wait to go to the gym and get the workout done so you can post your little cute gym selfie. You can't wait to go to the gym and get your workout done, or start your workout so that you can listen to your favorite gym song. Baby, when Lil Baby dropped his album, I ran to that gym because I wanted to listen to it. Like, it's really in the small things that will keep you going. And it's so funny because I haven't had that feeling in a long time, and I'm glad that it's coming back, because I love when I feel excited to go to the gym and it's not something that I'm forcing myself to do, or I'm just being disciplined. Like, I want to enjoy it too. Do not just watch this video. You need to take action on it. 2025 is a year of doing and not just saying. So put in the comments which one of the actions that you're going to start with to become more addicted to working out and less addicted to social media. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.